After installing iVMS-320, the first step is to create a password for the super user, which will be used for login. Then we need to set up security questions for password recovery. Click Next, and the program will begin initialization. Once you enter the main menu, you can log into your BitVision account to sync the devices you've already added. Please note that the BitVision account must be registered using an email address. Gmail or Apple shared accounts cannot be used for login. After logging in, you will see the added devices directly in the preview list. If you want to add new devices, go to Device Management. In the lower section, iVMS-320 will automatically search for local devices. Then, select the device's IP address and click Add. You will now see the added devices. We can also use P2P to add cloud-based devices. Click Add and choose P2P device. This process is the same as in the BitVision app. You can set the device name to any name. The serial number can be found on the device's label or by navigating to the network menu in the configuration page and clicking P2P. Here you will find all the serial numbers and verification codes. Fill in the information accordingly. The default username is admin, and the default password is 123445. Then to the verification code and click Add. Now you should see the two devices we just added. Once the devices have been added, we can proceed to the preview section to start previewing them. Here you will see all the added devices. To view a specific channel, simply left-click to select it. Then drag it to the preview window on the right and release. This will start streaming the live feed. Additionally, you can drag another device's feed to the right to start its playback as well. This allows us to view live feeds from multiple devices located in different regions simultaneously. We can also create a predefined view layout for one-click playback of selected channels. To do this, click on the second window icon and then click on the Add icon. Here you will need to choose the number of screens to display. Please note that the number of screens is directly related to your computer's performance. I selected a 9-channel, 9ch layout and named the view in the upper right corner. Next, select the channels you wish to view from the list on the left and drag them to the right. Once you've made your selections, click OK. The newly created view will appear in the list on the left side. By double-clicking it, the channels will automatically start playing. The playback feature in iVMS-320 is also very straightforward. To use it, click on Playback, then select the device and channel you wish to review. Next, choose the date for playback. For example, I selected the 21st. A timeline with a progress bar will automatically appear below. You can simply drag the bar to adjust the playback time. Please note that the loading speed of the progress bar depends entirely on your network speed, so there may be some delay in loading under slower connections. Downloading playback videos to your local computer is also very simple. Click the download icon located in the bottom right corner. Don't forget to select the channel, then enter the start and end times. Once you've done that, click Download and wait for the process to complete.